I'm really proud to have a deck that's made from recycled materials.
Knowing the deck was made out of recycled materials was huge for us.
That was a big part of our decision.
Most people think wood is the most sustainable thing to use, but actually it's not because it destroys forests.
When you list an option that's a little more sustainable, that's important to me.
Yeah, I mean, our kids are really excited about the sustainability aspect of TimberTech.
Well, it's about the future, right? We're having grandkids. What are we going to leave them?
So I think that's a great thing for them to see that we're doing our part in the community and the environment by using recycled products.
I want others to know when they come over, it's the first thing I tell them. When they go, oh, I love your deck, what kind of wood is that? And then I go, it's not wood.
You have a company who's making profound differences in the world. And why would you not want to support that as a byproduct of a great product you get to put on your house?
I wake up every morning and I look at it and I like it. I'm so happy with it.